Hi, hello, my loving people. Welcome to today's episode. ముందుగా తెలుగు వాళ్ళందరికీ నా నమస్కారం. అదే కదండి మన సంస్కారం. Today I am going to prepare special rasam. Come on, let's get started. The required ingredients are dry red chilies, mustard seeds, chana dal, cumin seeds, white ora dal, tamarind pulp, small amount of jaggery, hing, salt, rasam powder and its homemade ginger garlic paste, chopped tomatoes, turmeric powder, onion paste, curry leaves and chopped coriander. Take a deep pan and add chopped tomatoes, add ginger garlic paste, add onion paste, add turmeric powder, add tamarind pulp, add hing and it's optional. Add 2 tablespoons of rasam powder and this rasam powder was prepared by ourselves. Preparation video link was mentioned in this video description. Add chopped coriander, add required amount of salt, now stir it once, and add required amount of water in it. Now add dry red chilies. Now switch on the flame and transfer this vessel over the heat. For tempering, take a pan and add oil in it. Once oil get heated, now add smashed garlic, fry it on a low flame. Now add chana dal, mustard seeds and cumin seeds. Add dry red chilies. Stir it once. Add curry leaves. Once everything gets fried, now switch off the flame. Now transfer this tempering into a rasam. Now add small amount of jaggery in it. Mix it everything. Use homemade rasam powder. Then you will get the original flavors of the rasam. Now switch off the flame and transfer this rasam into a serving bowl. You can enjoy this rasam with hot rice. It tastes good with potato fry and chicken fry.